everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And a huge topic these days is storage units. People need a new way to source inventory for eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Etsy, Shopify, and storage units are a fantastic way. And coming in the next few days and weeks, I'm gonna buy some units and show you inside of them and go through them. In the meantime, I wanna show you guys the website that you should be using, how to navigate it, and how you should be making $50,000 this year or in a 12-month period buying storage units. Look, there's thousands and thousands of storage units sold every day in this country with millions and millions of dollars in merchandise, and you don't need a ton of money to get started. Some of these units sell for as low as 30, 40, 50 bucks, as high as 30, 40, $50,000. So I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. I'm gonna show you a little breakdown, and then in the coming days and weeks, I'm gonna post a few videos of some units that I'm planning on buying in the coming 3 to 4 days. They end in about 4 to 5 days, and then I'll be able to pick them up the following day. So I'll get videos of those. Hopefully they'll be up in the next 7 to 10 days. Thank you guys so much. Let's jump over to my computer, my iPad, and I'll show you exactly how to get going buying your own storage units so you can start making money. All right, here we are, storagetreasures.com. I will link it below. It's as easy as that, guys, storagetreasures.com. Go to your zip code, type in your zip code. I'm gonna type mine in 33596. You guys know I'm in Florida. It's gonna show you the greater Tampa Bay area or wherever you may be. Each one of these little gavels is a location of a storage auction. So I'm going to start at the southernmost one. This one's probably about 20, 25 minutes for me. And you can just open in a new tab to view the auctions. And this is the Express Storage in Ruskin, Florida. Again, it's about 20, 25 minutes. There's actually an Amazon warehouse down there. And they have one auction currently going, and it ends in 1 day, 14 hours, 42 minutes and 44 seconds. Let's go ahead and view the auction details. It's currently at $10. It is a 10 by 10. There's a clean out time of 48 hours with an 8.2% sales tax. That's Florida sales tax. Credit or debit. Unit appears to contain couch, mattress, vacuum totes, and household goods. And then you can kind of check on these pictures. Let's see if this is anything worth bidding on. It does not look like it's worth bidding on. There's some kind of something in the bin there. There's a vacuum in the back, an ironing board. Looks like a couple of junk things. Can't really see what's in the bin underneath of it. But there is a giant mattress and what looks to be maybe a laundry bag. Not really sure. It's at $10 plus sales tax. So you're looking at like almost 11 bucks for this thing. Probably not worth bidding on. I don't really see anything that would be worth even paying $10 for. So we can close that one out, exit, and then let's zoom in a little bit. And then let's go to the second one. Let's do a live auction. Maybe there's one that I want to bid on. So let's go ahead and view the auctions at this second one. This is the Express Storage on Big Bend. This one's about 15 minutes from me. And there are 3 auctions at this one. So let's go ahead and open up auction 1, auction 2, and auction 3 in different tabs. Okay, so we have the first one is a 5 by 10, currently at $90. A grill, TV, toys, monitor, or a monitor, I think they meant monitor, and crutches. So let's go ahead and zoom up on it. Look, we've got some Madden shoes, Steve Madden, a priority box there, some Adidas. Looks like we've got some sort of shoes and tools potentially in there. Kingsford grill. And then as we zoom up, we've got some tires to maybe a dolly. Some shoes that look really messed up. You see how that shoe's got a giant hole in it? We got a little keyboard. We got what looks like maybe a stroller folded up. And then as we click on some of these other pictures, we can kind of see that looks like, I can't even really tell. There's a Dell monitor, an old school monitor. Again, this is $90 plus sales tax. You're talking about another $8, $100 for this thing. Really, really, really not a great locker. Again, something not really worth buying. But what I think is interesting, look, in this picture, the priority box is standing up. And in this one, the priority box is not standing up. So they definitely have gone in here and moved some stuff around. Look at the bag. Look at the angle of the bag. Look at the thing flipped open. And this is what drives me nuts. Like, it's supposed to be not touched, not opened. And it is. It has been. So how do we trust that the managers haven't been in here going through this stuff. Interesting. All right, let's go to the second one. Nothing in there. It's only at a $60 bid, but it has this mini cooler, a mop, a gas can that looks crushed in. Is that a pressure washing wand? Might be a big pressure washing wand is what that looks like right there. See it? Might be why. Yes, it is a pressure washing wand from is it Simpson? Simpson. Might be why people are bidding on that, already up to $60. That thing might be worth $60. I don't know, but not for me. All right, here's one that's currently at $50. Couch, chair, table, boxes, and shoes. So there is what looks to be a plunger, some clothes hangers, a mop, cleaning supplies. You know, I'm not really sure what they were looking at. In the back is a chair, some boxes, a folding chair. There's a set of golf clubs. There's, not a lot going on in this one. It's weird. This one is just an odd set of a pair of shoes, or at least, yeah, there's the whole pair of shoes. Maybe somebody knows a little bit about those shoes, but not a ton. There's a table. Again, not the best one, so I'm going to kind of skip over that one. What was that one? That one? All right, I'm going to go to the third one, which is in Riverview, Florida. This one's just down the road from me. And they have 3, but these don't end for a week and 19 days, or 19 hours. So typically I will come back to these when they're closer. Let's go ahead and open. None of these have bids yet on them, probably because they're so far out. But this one is jam-packed. It's a 10 by 20. Cleaning deposits, $100. Boxes, bags, golf clubs, ladders, tires. Minimum bid is $10 because no one's bid on it yet, so it has to go for $10. But check it out, man. The golf club set. You've got boxes with Avons. You've got tons of good stuff. This is an excellent one to bid on. In fact, there's a lot of golf clubs. In fact, this is one that I think I may get in on. What is that box? A 4-foot holographic Santa light sculpture. Okay. We got a cat, one of those cat towers. Be careful with animal ones. You never know what kind of way they treated their animals or if they let them get on stuff. We got an Apple box. I guarantee it's empty. But there is a ladder standing there. That ladder is probably worth every bit of $30, $40 used. This is from a Metro self-storage. So what you'll do, let me just show you. You've got to be logged in to bid. So let's go ahead and log in. Log in. Under my email, rockstarflipper@gmail. So now I'm logged in. And now you can bid. And so the minimum bid is $10, but I guarantee somebody's already bid $10. So let's go ahead and just bid the $10, right? Enter max bid, $10. Confirm bid. You want to enter a max bid of $10. Yes. And it's going to tell you whether you're the high bidder or not, which, congratulations, you're now the high bidder. So I am now currently at $10 on this auction, and it's that easy. Now, of course, it has 7 days, 19 hours, 21 minutes, and 38 seconds. It is going to go up, I promise you, but I just bid $10 on this auction, and now it will keep track of the current auctions that I'm bidding on, right? Okay. So we can close that. We can look at the second one. Full of mattresses and weird stuff. A microwave is in there. Boxes, some workout. This is an overall odd unit. There's a box full of some electronics and an iron maybe. Not really interested in that one too much. Now the third unit. We got a washer and dryer set. We've got some blankets, some tables, maybe some shoes and clothing, some weights. What is that yellow box? I'm not sure what that yellow box is, but we've got some more stuff. Could be good. Not sure what the box is there. Smart design for mobile something. Maybe another microwave or toaster oven in there. Not really interested too much in that one, but I did go ahead and bid on the first one. So let's go ahead and close that out. Let's look at this second Riverview one. And again, they've got 5. And so this is how you'll just go through every single one. They're all at 10, 10, 0, 0, and 10 with 7 days, a little more than a week to go. Not much going on in here. There is an amplifier of some kind, probably why it has a bid. Not really interested in that one. We've got extension cord. Why are the pictures pixelated? Somebody took some really pixelated pictures. That's odd. So can't really see what's in there. Let's go to the third one. That's better. We've got all kinds of furniture. I'm not a big furniture person. I usually skip over these. This one is packed to the hilt. Again, some really bad pictures. Really, really bad pictures. A lot of stuff in here, but can't really tell what it is. Here's another one. Huge unit, 10 by 10, but packed. Packed all the way to the top with bins. This is a fantastic one. Minimum bid is 20, so I'm going to bid the $20 on it and submit my $20 bid. Even though I can't see it very well, I can tell that it has a ton of stuff. I've been outbid, so there you go. You can see somebody had already bid a current bid of 30. So I would have to go in at 40, which I'm willing to pay $40 for this unit. Let's go ahead and bid on it for $40. And I've been outbid by somebody for 50. So let's go ahead and bid 60. I'm willing to pay up to like $100 for this unit. Let me bid $60 on this unit. Somebody's put in higher pre-done bids. So I went ahead and bid 60 on it, and I was outbid by someone at 70. So I now have to go 80. I'm willing to go one more at 80 on it. Let's go ahead and bid the $80, right? Oh, I've been outbid again. I'll now have to go to $100 to get this unit. I'm pretty much willing to pay $100 for this unit. In fact, let's go ahead and do the $100 right now. I should win this auction, not win this auction, but be the highest bidder. I doubt anyone went in at 100 right now. Oh, I was wrong again. Somebody went in at 110 already. Somebody's got a high bid. They maybe went in and said they'd be willing to pay 150. So that's probably what I'm competing against. Let's just go ahead, since the next bid is 120, let's just go ahead and put in 130. Let's confirm the bid at 130 and see if we win it at 130. And somebody currently is in at 140. So somebody's gone as high as 140. I don't really want to mess with this too much more. Let it roll. I'll have to decide how much I'm willing to spend on this one. But how much do you guys think I should go up on this one? And we'll see what I'm willing to spend. But there you go. So that's just kind of a look at the self-storage unit storagetreasures.com auction site. And it's that simple, guys. You just go on, you bid, you sign in, create an account for free, and you can bid on any units, and you should be able to start buying at least 2 or 3 units a week that you can make $200 or $300. $1,000 a week is $52,000 a year. Even a little less is still $50,000 a year. Look at this all over the country as they populate. Look at them. Look how many, North and South Dakota, you guys are out of luck. But look at all these storage units on the East Coast, even out west. Look at California. Look at all the ones in California. Look at all those ones down by LA. Check those out. Check out how many of those are. Good grief. Santa Ana, Anaheim. There's a ton. Anyways, long story short, you guys see how to do it. Enjoy it. Go buy some. Tell me about it. Tell me how you like it. Tell me how well you do. And I will update you guys as I buy these. Of course, if I do, I'll have a video. So stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.